Hello everyone, welcome back to Introverso Entertainment. My name is Marcelo, and this is a video between videos. In this video, I'm going to try to show you how, if you have very little left from an old project, you could at least salvage a piece of it in a smart way, thanks to the technology inside OpenArt, and of course, the beloved Nano Banana PRO model. To start, let's go to the screen so I can share with you what the particular problem was. The file I had, the only file that survived, aside from what's printed and what's drawn by hand, was an old AVI of what used to be the intro animation. It was a rough cut I had put together. I had already made the logo, everything was ready, and I had made this little animation, as you'll see, in a 4:3 aspect ratio, because it was intended for a television product. And the animation, which lasts just a few seconds, was the introduction of the logo. This was, just a sketch made with 3D Studio, nothing fancy, okay? It was just to show the concept, and then this would be tied to a sequence of other videos. So, what happened? I don't have, because I can't find it anywhere, the original logo, and I needed the original logo, because I was able to recover the original poster, the character designs, which were all hand-drawn, and with that I was going to use Nano Banana to turn it into a good live action, meaning, redesign all the characters like I always do and have shown before. So, what happened? Without that logo, honestly, I have to redo all that work, and even though I can repeat the process, it's better not to have to, because the heart of the story and, besides, the copyright registration is done with the previous logo. What I said is perfect. I have this video, which is terrible quality because it's 320p. The resolution is awful, but at one point in the video the logo appears. Here it is, here's the logo. So, what was the solution I had? Very simple. Capture the frame. Grab this frame I have here, which is the frame where the logo is already shown, and I thought, if Nano Banana is so cool at working on reconstructing things, I'll surely be able to reconstruct the logo. And just like that, I put in the image. You can see here I have that image. I asked it to create and complete the logo with a flat vector color style and to remove the background, meaning I just wanted the pure logo. And as you can see here, Nano Banana, in glorious 4K, gave me back the old logo, but I didn't want to stop there. I tried it out. I took the hand-drawn poster for the play and put the logo inside the poster to see if it looked good. Then I thought, but I need to regionalize it because it should be in English. Perfect. So what I did, in the same way, was translate it with Nano Banana. All I had to do was upload the specific image and ask it to translate it into English without losing the graphic structure or the typography's aesthetic. And that's exactly what happened. Here it is. And now I have the final cure poster, ready to turn it into a live-action format. With that live-action poster format, I can start sculpting the different characters to build my roster of characters that will be featured in the new teaser trailer I'm going to create with Grok. Where? On OpenArt. As you already know, I'm an OpenArt affiliate. The link is in the description. OpenArt is always offering amazing new discount perks. All the models you could want are available, with millions of features. We can clone audio, transform our voice, and improve our acting. It's incredible. And it doesn't just have the Level Labs model, it also has the Minimax model. So, it's highly recommended from every angle. So, with that said, I'll leave you with a greeting. I hope this video is useful for you to understand what you can do with Nano Banana inside OpenArt, which is to rescue the past. Those little pieces of projects that, maybe because of a mistake, deleting them, losing them, or just because the years go by and it's hard to keep our backups organized, we can now recover from an image that really seemed impossible. If I had to redraw the logo from there, it's not that I couldn't do it, but it would have probably taken me the whole afternoon. And here I used about 125 seconds and it came out perfect. So, see you in the next video. I'm already giving you a heads up. It's going to be about Grok and the capabilities and features this model has within OpenArt. See you soon, everyone. Until the next video.